Hey everyone, welcome back to the Keploy channel, and today we'll be creating test cases for our BunJS application. So without further ado, let's dive into our application and see how we can do so. So this is my sample application. I'll be using Bun to run it. Bun is a replica. You can say an alternative to the Node.js. I have written my application in TypeScript. Basically, I have predefined the four endpoints, that is save, basically post, fetch is get, put, and delete. I've already defined that the name would be cow, and the sound that will it make will be moo. So let's first start our application database. I'm using Mongo. And I'll be running the MongoDB container with Docker. So yeah, it's up. Let's check its status, whether it's up or not. Yeah, it's up. So without further ado, let's start with our application. Basically, I have defined the start script to run bun run and my file name. Instead of run, you can also do -- watch. How it will work, it's basically a replacement of nodemon in the BunJS. It's there by default. You don't have to install like nodemon as a other dependency. It's already there, but that is something for the next video. For this video, we'll keep it very simple: bun run superbun.ts. So let's go. Let's do some curl request and see of how easy it is to create test cases for your BunJS applications. So it's up and running. Keploy has started successfully. We can see our port 4200. Yep. So let's make the curl command of first post. See. Yep. So it's saying success true. And let's go with curl command to actually get the fetch. So fetch would be get. I got success ID. This save name cow and moo. Let's go ahead and do once more. Yep. Now I can see it has updated a bit. Let's go ahead and see how it has been created. So we can see we got 4 test cases. This is my Keploy folder, and yep. So my test cases are ready. I've already tested 2 of my endpoints. Let's see how I can use them to run. So let's first stop our application, a database container. So this will be rm f MongoDB. Since we'll be using the mocks that basically the Keploy uses the mocks that it has created while we were recording network calls. So and we'll be using that. So we can see, okay, we don't have anything else now. So we'll run the same thing again, but this time in Keploy test mode. So it has started. It's showing delays set by default to 5. If we want, we can update it to 6, 10, 12 depending upon. And here it is. We got all our save route, fetch route, then save route again, and the fetch route. So basically the 4 test cases, and it has passed successfully. And all of this was done within the 2 minutes. So that is how easy it is to use Keploy to generate test cases for and data mocks for your BunJS applications, no matter how big it is, how small it is, what dependencies are you using. And so that's it, folks. Thank you for tuning in.